How we doing all? So I thought I'd do a quick demo on how the switchable maps actually work. I know in my last video Ash did demonstrate it, but as I haven't exactly got a camera mount, you can't see a lot. But so you're probably thinking, oh, if I haven't got a cruise control stalk, I can't have switchable maps. But here's my book. As long as you've got you'll have a little card like this with a security code in. So as long as you've got that, you can buy the cruise control stalk, which I think I paid £15 or £16 for this one on Amazon. You'll need the clutch switch, so obviously the computer in the car knows when the clutch is being pressed. As long as you've got those three things, you'll fine. If you were to go up to Ash at Gizmotorsport, then he can program the stalk into the car, so obviously it'll work, switching through the maps and so on. But yeah, so at the moment I'm in map 4, so one of the ways you can check, so you don't have to keep switching up and down, is if you're just rolling down the road, which I'll give you a demo in a minute anyway. But so if I just press the clutch for the minute, press the end button, and obviously the rev counter goes up to 4. So I'm in map 4, and then I can switch down, map 3, 2, and 1, so on. But it's just as easy when you're moving on the road, because as long as you press that clutch ever so slightly and the switch is operated, you can actually go up and down the maps. You don't have to be stationary to go through them, which is my favourite bit, because if you get a granny pass you in a Tesla, or wouldn't be a Tesla, it'd probably be a Toyota Prius, and you go up into map 4 and put your foot down, get past her. Come on. Oh, I love Monday morning traffic, it's great. There we go. Yeah, so I'm going along in third now, so if I wanted to go up and down the maps, I'm barely pressing the pedal there. Down into map 3, 2, 1, go back up to 4. It's that easy. You don't have to be stationary, you don't have to have the clutch pedal fully pressed. So yeah, I'm living life with this at the minute. Ash has done wonders on it.